Hey guys, let's see if I can invite anybody. Good morning, good morning. Let's see. Okay, so today I'm gonna do a little skincare 101. Sorry, I literally, you guys, I cannot say hey if you're here so I can see. I cannot talk and click buttons at the same time. Okay. All right. Done. Bam! First one on. Yes. Hi. Guys, I'm back. Okay. So my kids were off last week. My parents were here, and it was crazy. So I'm living real life now. Okay, guys, this month is the milk giveaway, and I'm super excited about it because milk's a big deal. I truly, like never, hey Kayla, invite all your friends, girl, because I can't remember all of them. Hey Michelle, hi guys, happy Monday. I truly, let me confession, I never, I know, it's just Darcy here today, so I don't have to hide out. She's watching a show. I never used to take care of my skin. In fact, I wasn't a huge makeup wearer, and if I did wear it, I would still go to bed in it. No big deal, like didn't even bother me. But I had like a lot of acne around here, and most of my scarring has gone away from it now, but I have one little guy right here. The rest are black freckles. I was not very big into skincare, so I would just go to bed in it, and I still am like really bad. You can see yesterday's eye makeup. I'm really bad. But so I just wanted to go over some basics because since I've started doing this, I truly have had I have really good buttery skin. Like it's really great. It's not oily, it's not dry. I don't have these like zitty bumps that I used to get here. So I'm gonna kind of go over what I do. So first, I'm gonna do first like what I would do every couple weeks. So a lot of you who've been around for a while know what this is, the Tinkle razor. You can get them on Amazon. They're super cheap. They're like, I don't know, $3 for a package of, or $6 for a package of 6, or I don't know. They're cheap, but they're called Tinkle razors. Don't get there's like a Twinkle one. Don't get that one. It's not as good. So I use this probably every 2 weeks, maybe. Good morning, Kimber. And when they first come, they are a little bit sharper. So just be careful. I have lopped off like a zit here and there. And I used to be like, well, you could give this to your kids. They're totally fine. And then I was like bleeding in one. You remember that one, Kimber? I was like, just kidding. You actually should be careful with these. But they're not that bad. So I use this to shave off all of my peach fuzz. It does exfoliate also. So I just start and I go downward, and it totally makes a difference. If you guys feel like you have, well, you won't even know until you start like getting it off. You won't even know how much peach fuzz you have on there actually. And it really helps your makeup stay on really nicely. It takes care of like your little mustache zone. You can just kind of pull your skin like taut and go. I know, you never know what like a live is gonna bring. I'm like, oh, these are just fine. And then like, oh, well, I'm bleeding now. I'm gonna need a Band-Aid. Okay, so I just go down, and I usually only cover the area once. Don't go back and forth and back and forth. And then you can kind of like see, you'll have like a bunch of little peach fuzz there. Hi, Brandy Joe. Okay, so this, if you try it once and you're like, oh, it was like a little aggressive and it kind of made me red or itchy, use the cleanser as sort of like a shaving cream. So it will be a little bit more gentle that way. Okay, I need to focus, guys. Distracting me. Okay, because I really haven't shaved for like 2 weeks, so. I would do this in the morning and then take a shower after we do the cure. I'll show you guys what cure is all about. Be careful not to lop off a brow. It's possible. Okay, and I just, oh my gosh, you guys can see all my peaches. Oh, yucky. Between my brows, I'll usually go like this up to them. And clean that up right there. No unibrows here. No unibrows. Okay. I don't have a hairy nose. I don't know about the rest of y'all, but this is like my biggest area here. And then this. So if you hit those, that is really good. Okay, so I'm done with that. Like I said, that's on Amazon, super cheap. And I've given a lot of them out. If I send you something, I usually send one with it, but I actually don't have any extras right now. I need to get on and order some more, but let's see. Okay, so now I'm gonna use Cure. If you've been on for a while, I love this stuff. It's on Amazon. It's also like in weird like Japanese letters or something. I don't even know. Asian letters. Blackheads. Yes. Okay, so have you tried a mask? I know Kara uses the June Jacobs mask. It's kind of expensive. I'll have to ask around and see if anybody else has had luck with different masks. I have a couple. I have a clay one. Oh, yeah, and I have an activated charcoal one that I'm going to try, so I'll let you know how this goes. I'm a little scared of, oh, no, this one is actually a facial mask, not just like stuff you put on. I'm a little scared of those peeling ones because sometimes they hurt and they don't all peel off right, but I've heard really good things about, oh, thanks, Brandy Joe, about the June Jacob one, if you want to check that out. And sometimes you can find a good sale on it. I'll look and see who is selling it and what kind of sale we can find. But yeah, I've wondered about, I'm going to try it. I'll let you know. I'm going to try it soon. Got it right here. It looks good and fun. It says the charcoal draws out dirt and other microparticles from the skin surface. So I'll let you know. Okay, so let's see. So Cure. So this stuff is a gentle exfoliator. It's not got beads in it. It's not like super harsh. And I just use like this much. Yeah. And just pat it here and pat it on. And it just takes, yeah. If you're using like the soap scrubs, the facial scrubs, like I tend to steer clear of those and just do things that are a little bit less abrasive. And this has no beads in it. And so I just let that dry for a minute. And so this is what I would do like every 2 weeks in the morning, I would say. I would do the Tinkle razor, and then followed by this. And then I'd either jump in the shower or use a wipe. Okay, so you kind of just let that dry a bit. and then sort of do upward movements. Your pores are kind of like shingles that like go this way, and so if you rub up into them, it really helps cleanse them. Okay, and it just sort of like flakes off to all these little like white dead skin cells. And I have never been so baby soft. After you do this, you'll be like, oh my gosh, I have... Hi, Elise. Oh gosh. My tan, I don't know. It's fine, but I'm probably gonna be like wrinkly at the age of 40, which is in only a few years. Okay, so now that I'm all like, I've got things all over me. You could either wash your face or use a wipe or jump in the shower. I'm just gonna take it off like this. We do have these wipes that are really nice. They have cucumber and aloe in them. They're only $10, so it's not bad. If you're looking for a face wipe. Okay. And then I would go about my day, whether I do this or a shower or wash your face or whatever. Okay.